All right, well, the good news, we've got some weather coming in tonight into Thursday for the high country. Maybe something coming in the early part of next week also. Let's go to the weather map. Saraway media forecaster Dennis Mattinson noting high pressure getting a bump from weak low pressure cutting into the Pacific Northwest and Northeast California. Chance of precipitation, Mammoth and Mono County. Dennis Mattinson says, not talking a big thing here, maybe some light rain, couple inches of snow here and there in the higher elevations. Owens Valley will see some clouds, drying and clearing on Friday for the area with the return of that offshore ridge. Dennis Mattinson notes some undercutting of that ridge is possible next week, so maybe even a little more moisture on the horizon. Low tonight into tomorrow morning for Mammoth, about 28 degrees. Bishop and the Owens Valley, 44 degrees. Mammoth, June, Mono County on Thursday. Again, early morning rain and snow showers. Let's hope for some snow. Come on. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour, 49. The high in the town of Mammoth Lakes, low of about 23 degrees. Looking at mostly sunny skies on Friday. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour, 50 the expected high in Mammoth, low of about 21 degrees, and mostly sunny skies on Saturday, a little southwest wind, 5 to 10 miles an hour, 47 the high in Mammoth, low of about 18 degrees. Bishop and the Owens Valley, mostly cloudy conditions Thursday, and winds kicking up. Northwest winds 15 to 25 miles an hour, especially in those more wind-prone areas of the valley. 69 expected high in Bishop, low of about 42. Partly cloudy skies Friday, northwest winds through the valley, 10 to 15 miles an hour. 65 the high in Bishop, low of about 37 degrees. And Saturday for the Owens Valley, sunny skies, northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour, 66 the expected high in Bishop, low going to dip down to about 36 degrees. All right, let's jump over to some sports, and well, let's head out to the Mammoth High School gymnasium, where the Mammoth High School girls varsity volleyball team participating in the first round of the CIF Southern Section Division IV Single A. It's the Ford Girls Volleyball Championships presented by Farmers. Rob Gill out there for Sierra Wave Media. And boy, the Mammoth Huskies able to score a nice win against visiting Grand Terrace. 25-11, 25-10, and 25-19 victory for the Huskies. That puts them into Thursday's second round on the road to Bishop Conady Loretto. We'll talk more about that here in just a moment. Boy, as we said, a great win for the Mammoth High School girls varsity volleyball team. Coach John Morris has done a fine job with the Huskies over the last few seasons. And last night, Coach Morris said Mammoth was led by setter Sierra Guilfoy. 24 assists. Sierra Guilfoy also with 10 points off of her serve. Also outside hitter Taylor Sanders. She had 14 kills for Taylor Sanders. Middle hitter Amanda Kirkaby, 7 kills. And outside middle hitter Callie Mowat had 6 kills. Coach John Morris said, quote, "This was one of the best overall performances I have seen from this team. The key to our success is always our passing, and tonight we were really on. The girls are playing with a combination of intensity and confidence with a heavy dose of poise. It's really fun to watch," end quote. Again, we're looking at some highlights from the Mammoth Huskies. 25-11, 25-10, 25-19. 3-game sweep of visiting Grand Terrace. Mammoth improves to 20-6 on the season, while Grand Terrace, the third-place team out of the Sunkist League, ends its season at 12-10. And as we continue to watch some of the action from Tuesday night's 3-game victory for the Huskies, we're going to talk about Thursday's matchup coming up against Bishop Conady Loretto of Los Angeles. Now, Bishop Conady Loretto was one of 6 teams that received first-round byes, top 4 seeds. Also, one in each of the brackets, upper and lower, and in the upper bracket, that was Bishop Conady Loretto. So the Mammoth Huskies will be at Bishop Conady coming up on Thursday. And just to look ahead a little bit to the quarterfinals on Saturday, the winner of Mammoth and Bishop Conady Loretto will be taking on the winner of number 1 seed Kate and Azusa. Now, Mammoth has already lost a coin flip with Kate, and it would be automatic road trip against Azusa. So should the Huskies score a victory at Bishop Conady Loretto on Thursday, the Mammoth Huskies would be on the road again on Saturday. In the quarterfinals of the CIF Southern Section Division IV Single A tournament, nice first-round win by the Huskies last night. Also want to look at some file footage here of the Bishop Union High School girls varsity volleyball team. This is file footage from a High Desert League match, but the Bishop Broncos went on the road in the CIF Central Section. It's the Les Schwab Championships presented by Farmers Insurance. Bishop won that match at Orange Cove in 4 games on Monday. That puts the Bishop Broncos into Thursday's second round. The Broncos got to take on number 1 seed Taft. Taft, a 3-game winner against number 16 seed Lindsay. So the Bishop Broncos, after the win at Orange Cove, again looking at some file footage here, the Bishop Broncos will be at Taft. Taft, very tough, number 1 seed, 21-7-4 overall, 9-3. That was good for second place in the South Sequoia League. Bishop scoring that 4-game win against Orange Cove, and now the Bishop Broncos 21-10 overall. Let's have some good luck for our girls volleyball teams, Mammoth and Bishop, in the CIF playoffs. Second round coming up on Thursday. That's going to wrap up news and information for us here on Sierra Wave TV. You know we're part of Sierra Wave Media. You know our radio station. Streaming on our website, sierrawave.net. Have a great evening, everybody.